Hey, what's up everyone? This is Donnie, and I've been meaning to make this video for quite some time. So the video is going to be related to ongoing issue, which was a wind noise that comes from A-pillar and anywhere from that A-pillar area and next to those side mirrors. Apparently our Highlander actually has that issue going as well, which creates that kind of whistling wind noise. So anyway, what I did was actually I installed these window visors from WeatherTech, and guess what? I haven't actually noticed any whistling noise coming in since we put these on. But these things actually helped in our case. So like I said, I mean, I no longer hear that whistling noise coming in from this quarter panel area anymore. And to be honest, I haven't even actually thought about that this might be able to resolve that issue. You can install them yourselves. I mean, I did it myself and it took me less than 30 minutes, if that. And these are laser cut, so I mean, you won't have any issues with fitting as long as you follow the instructions. So let me just show you the wrist. So on all 4 windows, we got them. So that's what I got, and as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to catch you guys in the future videos. Bye.